another chapter of UI Talks. This is me, SYAMILY SAREESH. Today we are going to discuss about the very basic operation in computer science, that is how to switch on and switch off a computer. In this video we are mainly focusing on three topics. 1. Identify on off switch in the computer. 2. How to switch on the computer. And 3. How to switch off the computer. Computer basic operations. How to start computer. Topic 1. Locating computer on off switch. The picture shows desktop computer and laptop computer switch. Things that should be checked before switching on the computer. 1. Check that the essential cables are plugged into the corresponding socket, and if the wall socket has switches, these are on. 2. If your display has a separate switch, check that this is on. 3. Check that any external devices connected to your computers are plugged in and switch on all of them before turning on the computer itself. 4. Finally, switch on the computer switch on the system case. Topic 2. Step in switch on the computer. 1. Switch on the power supply button. 2. Switch on the UPS button. 3. Switch on CPU. 4. Switch on the monitor. After the process, the basic input-output system BIOS inside the computer's read-only memory conduct a power-on self-test to test its essential components and display an error message if there was a problem. After the successful completion of the test, the BIOS loads a copy of the operating system from the selected boot devices into the main memory or random access memory, including the user interface called the desktop. And the BIOS then hand over the computer to the operating system. The process is known as booting, and about booting process is discussed in our previous video. The link is given in description box. Picture shows desktop. Topic 3. Step in switching off the computer. 1. Select start button. 2. Select power button. 3. Select shutdown. And wait for a few minutes. 4. Switch off the monitor by pressing the button on it. 5. Switch off the CPU. 6. Switch off the UPS. 7. Switch off the power supply. So let's summarize. In this video, we discuss locating computer on off switch, step in switch on the computer, and step in switch off the computer. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in next video. Thank you.